Downloading an online ticket on British Airways. In today's video, you are going to learn how to download a flight ticket online on British Airways. Make sure to watch until the very end. So let's get started. First, go to the British Airways, and now here you have to log in. After logging in, you have to fill all of these details shown in this video. After filling the details, click on Find Flight and choose the one you wanted to. After that, you can check your status of booking, or you can get your ticket download online. Just go to the Manage My Booking option, and here you just have to enter all of your details and your correct email address. Now you can get your ticket online with your email, or you can download it directly. Now click on online check-in, and from here you will see both of these options. After clicking on the desired option, you will get your online ticket on British Airways. That's it. That's how you will be able to get your British ticket online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.